Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to another review. In the recent past I have had 8 or 9 coins all arrive around about the same time on and around the week ending the 11th of March, and I'm in the process of catching up, and this is one of the ones that was catching up with. Originally this coin was a £2 1 ounce silver coin with the portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II on. Spot the difference. It is now a £5 coin in a blue card from the Westminster collection, and it has the portrait of Charles III. Now I don't know whether the Icon series has been going on for about 4 years as bullion coins, 3 years maybe, as bullion coins, and we started off with 3 coins from the Sherwood Forest, i.e. Robin Hood, Little John and Maid Marian, in 2021 and 2022 I think, or was it 22? Yeah, 2021 and 22. 23, or the end of 22, was one that was issued with a 23 date on it, of Elizabeth II with a 23 date on it, but it showed this coin and it was a bullion coin, as I said. I think it was a £2 coin which was a silver 1 ounce. This is the Myths and Legends of King Arthur. Now I don't know whether we're going to have an Icon series or not in the £5 coins. Whether the Sherwood Forest coins are going to be part of that set, I don't know. This release caught me by surprise and caught quite a few other people by surprise. It had been released. It is exactly the same design. One of the slight differences is in the it doesn't have the information about 0.99 pure silver and 1 ounce on it, instead of which it just has the Myths and Legends 2023 and King Arthur. In this area on the bullion coin you have the information about the silver 0.999 information, or 995. Apart from that, the main design itself is the same. It's Arthur holding his sword aloft in a battle ready sort of position, Excalibur being his sword of course. The background is seems to be like a machined background. You have Arthur's hair flowing towards the right hand side here. You have a milled area here behind Excalibur. You have the Excalibur with Arthur ready to fight, and he's crowned. Very lovely coin. I liked it when it was a silver coin. I like it now as a £5 coin. As I said, I don't know whether they're going to do going to be doing an Icon series similar to the ones that they did with the Robin Hood series of coins, or whether they're going to expand this set of the Myths and Legends of King Arthur, of which of course there's plenty of scope. You have Guinevere, you have the Sword in the Stone, you have all of the knights, Sir Belvedere, Lancelot, Galahad, all the rest of them that could also be mentioned on coins. There are the several battles that the knights had with foes and other such people. So you could easily expand the King Arthur and the Myths and Legends of that. You could bring in the ones that have already been done in the Bullion Icon series, which are the 3 that I mentioned earlier on from the Robin Hood series of coins. There's a lot more you could do with the Robin Hood series as well. So I don't know whether they're going to have Myths and Legends that they bring out on the silver bullion and then transfer them to the £5, or whether we're now going to see a £5 series of Myths and Legends of King Arthur, or the previous releases on the Icon series. or whether there'll be any more at all in this series. As I said, this was a one-off that nobody knew was coming. I certainly didn't, and I keep my ear fairly close to the ground. Anyway, I'm very glad to have it. It is the second version of this coin I've got. As I say, the bullion being the first. And as a completionist, I'm very happy to have it. As a collector, I'm very happy to have it because it's a historical, mythological type thing that you can very much get into, and the sort of thing that I enjoy researching and such like. So, now having this coin in the set, do you believe there will be a complete series of King Arthur, or do you think they'll go back to the original Sherwood Forest set and do that and then complete that before they carry on with the Myths and Legends? Or will they run both alongside each other? I don't know. It's one of those ones that you hope will continue. We also have, of course, the Tudor Beast series that's got one due out in the very near future, which is another sort of Legends series, or very similar. So are they going to run the two series consecutively, at the same time, conjuncture? I'm getting my words mixed up here. Are they going to run the two series side by side? I don't know. Put down in the comments below what you think might happen. And also, do you like this coin? Will you collect this series if it comes out? Let me know. For those of you who are having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I am trying to get to 250 subs by the end of this year. It's a fairly stiff task. I've passed 100 in December, and I'm now at the midway through March and I've got 150, so to try and get another 100 I might be pushing my luck a bit. However, I do have viewing figures that suggest that over 60% of the people that view my videos on a regular basis are not actually subscribed to the channel. So if you are one of those people and you do enjoy the videos and you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe? I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes. I also do some collectibles and also militaria. I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey. But until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.